Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 3500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front on your grille, as well as your halogen headlights and your chrome bumper with your tow hooks there. Coming around the side here, we do have our tires, and they do have the 18-inch rims on them. They look great. They are Goodyear brand tires. Lots of tread left on them. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors here. They do have the turning signal, and they are the tow mirrors. So you can fold them up just like that. Then you can see even farther back. Helps you out. Then we can come all the way around to the back. It does have a massive 8-foot box on it back here. And you do have your chrome accented bumper with your parking sensors and your backup camera right there. Opening this guy up, there is tons of room back here. It does also have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have your handle here, another handle here, and some storage just down here. Looks fantastic in here, very comfortable seats. They are very nice. You do have your seat warmer here and the control over the seats. And then back here we do also have our controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control there. And then right up here we do have the controls over the windshield wipers, turning signals, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there how many kilometers we have, 74,000, not too bad. Also which way we're facing, and we also have how many kilometers we're going. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, our fuel economy, trip A, trip B, our messages, screen setup, turn the menu off if it was too bright, and back to your speedometer. Now we can change that all from right here with our voice recognition, call button for the Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. We do have our gear shift right here as well, just like that. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now we do have our touchscreen display here, so we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM there, all as well as our media tab. If we have one hooked up through a USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth, we have our phone options here, compass, settings, and your more. You got volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and your tuner and browser there. Then down here we do have our hazard lights, power up and down for the climate control, circulation, AC and heat. Then you also have your where it's going to blow out of there. Then down here we do have our traction control, tow and haul mode, your exhaust brake, and you also have your park sensors there. A little bit of storage here and here. And then you also have some storage just here, some cup holders, another cup holder, as well as a USB plug in there. Control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel, and 4-wheel high. Then you do also have your 3 cup holders here with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders there, as well as a USB and an aux cord plug-in right there. Close this guy, lift this one up. Do have another seat just under there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we do have our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle right here. You have the control of your windows handle and some storage down here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can lift this up and you do have some storage just under there with your cup holders. You do also have a bit of additional storage just underneath the floor mats there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 3500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.